So today we have a Tesla Model Y here for a full front paint protection film by XPEL. It's going to keep the hood and the full front from getting rock chips, scratches, and road debris with its self-healing technology. In addition, we're doing an XR Plus window tint. This is going to insulate the windows to keep the car cool inside so you don't have to run the air condition very much. That's going to give you more battery life and extended mileage, and also saving you energy. So thanks for watching. We're Dallas-Fort Worth Tesla specialists. If you have any questions about paint protection film or window tinting, give us a call.